Okay, so next, now just for fun, I'll change the color combination and I'll add gold ink for these four shapes, or four cross-like shapes. So again, I'll start the same way. With my round brush, trying to cover as much as possible from the shape without trying to go near or very close to the lines. I'll leave that to my fine zero brush. So now with the zero brush, I start using those straight strokes, straight brush strokes that I focus on just, getting the shape right. And what I'll do is I'll start rotating the sheet. So I'll remove the palette from here and I'll start rotating my drawing sheet just to make sure that it's easier for me to get a better control over these lines. So back with my round brush. And I'll start spreading that paint or ink over using my fine zero brush. Okay, as you can see, I've made a terrible mistake. And what I'll do is I'll quickly try to absorb it with a damp piece of paper towel. So I'll start just removing it. And what I'll do later is I'll correct it by going over it with the watercolor paint one more time. So mistakes happen. And they happen all the time, actually, so don't be frustrated, or don't be too frustrated with these kind of mistakes. Everything is probably fixable. Okay. Okay, and that was our final shape. What we'll do is, as I said, just let it dry, and in the next video we will be going over the parts that we want to fix or enhance or maybe redo. There's always, room for improvement, but I do like it so far. I'm not a big fan of the watercolors when it comes to painting this kind of art, but it certainly gives a sense of randomness and character in the painting, so I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.